The wise little sparrow. A little sparrow lives in a big tree. Every day she flies around to find food. One hot afternoon, she sees a loaf of bread on the ground. It is too big for her to carry. Just then, a crow flies by. Let's share the bread, says the sparrow. The crow laughs. Why should I share? I will take it all. The crow picks up the bread, but a dog barks loudly and scares him. The crow drops the bread and flies away. The sparrow takes a small piece and flies back to her nest. She smiles and says, greed brings trouble, but kindness brings peace. Moral: if you are too greedy, you may end up with nothing.